My name is Jeff Cummins. I'm the CEO, owner of ED Staffing. We service the healthcare industry and also the industrial industry.
Here at ED Staffing, our mission is to strengthen diverse communities by providing inclusive job opportunities. And our vision is to create equal workforce for all.
Good stuff. So how long have we been working with Dee? And if you remember, how did we discover her?
Initially, we have been working with Dee for 3 or 4 months, and I believe we found her on her YouTube channel.
Awesome. So when we discovered her, what problems were we looking to solve when we found her in the staffingpreneur community?
One of the main problems we were having were we were at a standstill. We didn't know how to move forward. Dee helped us with the problems that we were having to grow the company and to understand what we're really doing.
Absolutely. And so I would say Dee and the Staffingpreneur Academy, they're helping us solve these problems by literally just taking us back to ground zero. Breaking down the problems, breaking down some of the dysfunction that we've had in the company, taking us back down to ground zero to show us what we need to do to actually build a strong foundation so that we know where we're going from there. And I definitely would recommend Dee to anybody that's looking to start a staffing agency, simply just because she's just awesome. She's amazing, she's inspiring, she's motivational, and she just knows the industry inside and out, high and low levels. Wherever you are, she can help you build this company, especially if you've already accumulated some income and accumulated some money in the company and you want to go to that next level.
Yes.
She's going to help you level up.
Dee is your girl.
Absolutely. Is there anything else that you guys want to add?
I just want to touch on what Javon said. If you're having problems growing your business or you feel like your business is stagnant, reach out to Dee. Dee Williams is your girl. She's going to take you to the next level. I'm telling you.
She will get you 5